Okay, so hey guys, I'm with one of my students, Vimal here right now. And as you can see, he is averaging about 1,000 to $800 per week. And you can see his numbers. So Vimal, how are you feeling now?
It's so awesome, sir. It's amazing. And uh,
So,
and in a single word, I will say very thanks to you, sir.
mhm,
And it's a really appreciate and thankful to be a part in my CPA journey. And in last month, in March 2023, I have made near about 4,000 USD, and
that's
that is the
great.
profitable in terms of three near about 2.5 or
Mhm,
2.5 something to
mhm.
2.5. If you excluding Clickbank charges or other charges, it's net profit would be two times with
That's
my
great.
yeah.
That's great. So I want to refresh this screen just so that, can you refresh that screen so that
Yeah, sure.
uh,
Yeah, sure.
everybody knows that this is all real,
Yeah,
right?
it's a real. We are not a fake guys. We can do
So,
all the things.
so yeah. See, we worked really hard to get these results, right?
Yeah.
And the best thing that I liked about you, Vimal, was your patience and consistency. So you reached here with your patience and consistency, and with more further consistency, you will be easily making $5,000 a month,
Yeah,
and then you
it's
can
easy.
scale to $10,000 a month.
Yeah.
So this is really good news, and I really appreciate you, scaling further. So great job on this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's all about your support and your wishes and also your guidance, and so that I have achieved this number in CPA marketing,
And
especially with the
you have got your breakthrough in CPA and affiliate marketing. You've got your breakthrough. Now you know that you don't have to struggle anymore, right? You will
yeah.
be making money further. You can
Yeah,
see your future clearly, right?
yes, sir. It's a, for the success in the CPA marketing, you have to make patient. You have patience, patience, and have a good mentorship. Without good mentorship, you can't succeed in CPA marketing if you are starting your CPA journey with fresh mind.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So thank you for giving me this testimonial, Vimal. I'm really happy with your results, and we will scale further from here. We will
Yes, sir.
definitely.
Our next target is 10,000 USD in coming 2 months.
Definitely. Awesome. So, guys, if you're watching this anywhere, just reach out to me, click the links, or just enroll into my program, and you will be able to see the same results.